Are you a travel enthusiast who wants to explore the world solo? Traveling alone for the first time can be intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll give you essential tips and tricks to help you prepare for your first solo trip. From making a plan to staying connected, we've got you covered. So pack your bags and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Number 1. Make a plan. The first step to traveling alone for the first time is to make a plan. Decide on your destination, how you're going to get there, and how you're going to get around once you arrive. Research transportation options in advance using websites like Rome to Rio to plan your journey. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, we're here to help you navigate the process. Number 2. Take extra measures to prepare yourself. In addition to making a plan, take extra measures to prepare yourself for solo travel. Purchase travel insurance to protect yourself in case of injury or theft. If you're booking accommodations, read reviews to make sure you're staying in a safe and recommended place. And remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. Number 3. Pack light. Packing light is essential for solo travel. A minimalist approach will help you navigate new places and keep your luggage secure. Choose a travel backpack or small, functional bag that makes it easy to organize and keep track of your belongings. And don't forget, you can always purchase items you need along the way. Number 4. Stay connected. While solo travel encourages independence, it's important to stay connected with friends and family back home. Purchase a local SIM card to navigate new cities, book transportation, and communicate easily. And don't forget to let someone know where you are at all times. Number 5. Embrace serendipity. The beauty of traveling alone lies in the freedom to change your plans spontaneously. Embrace serendipity and allow yourself to wander off the beaten path. You might discover hidden gems you'd never find in a guidebook. Solo travel is an opportunity to learn more about yourself and experience the world in a unique way. As you prepare for your solo travel journey, remember, a plan sets the stage, extra measures ensure safety, packing light keeps you nimble, staying connected anchors you, and embracing the unexpected brings magic to your adventure. Thanks for watching. Don't miss out on more travel tips. Subscribe to ProTube Adventure for your next exploration. Safe travels.